It is a beautiful show to celebrate Christmas time and the traditions in the Celtic world. And when we say the word Celtic, we truly mean it. We're not just talking about Ireland. We're talking about Ireland, Scotland, Wales, the Isle of Man, Galicia, Cornwall, Brittany. We're really doing all of this music in one night.
We have seen a number of Celtic shows. This was absolutely magical. We were mesmerized by the musical talent.
In the last couple of years, I started learning Gaelic. What I really wanted was to not be just memorizing lyrics. I wanted to feel the words as I sang them. You have to know the language in order to do that.
My favorite part of the show was all the variations translated into many languages and cultures. So many beautiful moments in this show that were just memories of Christmases long ago. It's amazing to see how it spans across all the cultures and the languages.
What makes this Celtic Christmas different from others is you're able to see not only the vocal traditions from these different places, the languages, sometimes the dance form as well. Really immersive experience for everyone.
I mean, I've seen instruments played in different manners and different tones. It was incredible.
Wonderful way to break into the holiday season, get us in the mood.
What we do together and what we create is just the most fun. The music allows you to take a step back in time as well as paint the way forward in the tradition. Our finale wraps all that together and with all the different countries. We have guests coming from far and wide. Some of them travel quite a long way. We love to see that because it just means that they love the show so much they're coming back year after year. We have kilts on, bagpipes, fiddles, harps, dance. What more could you want? And sing along with us in the audience. We love it.